Yeah. It has also happened to me. Oh, if they tell me for gym, I'm not going to believe. See tire of vehicle, see bullet. Immediately after the bridge, it was this car that was behind us. So, see what happened. If the Mopo man in the car did not fire, not only God know waiting for the happen now. We don't with the hearing, we not the believe, eh? Nigeria is on fire. Oh. Nigeria is on fire. Nigeria is on fire. Can you imagine? As we just come, the guy just step out. He just step from middle of the road. Then he started firing. He started firing. Eh? Okay. Did he shoot from inside?
Yes. Look at now. See. See bullets. See bullets. See bullets.
My God. Eh? As this jeep, as this Oga jeep passed, the guy just stepped out in the middle of the road and started firing. We were the very next one. No, let God know now what I know affect anything for the engine. Let me just
that we were able to move out of that. Was a good because he just pressed me once.
If we had stopped,
he wanted to trap me down.
If we had stopped, I face to face. Now I said the guy tight face, stand for road, just in the middle of the road like this, started firing. Middle of the road. Hey now. As this jeep passed, as this Oga passed, as he passed, immediately they came out. Eh?
When I go with this pass, I said I can shout. I said don't take my rifle. So thank God, as soon as they go for it, the guy just come out.
Now fire.
Go back.
You don't go back.
When I release, back.
I see that.
So he move. Our driver said go soak.